Hey everybody, it's me Bakisa and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. I know I've been missing, but you know I'm a nurse. So in this tutorial, we'll be making a thumbnail for a travel vlog or whatever you want. And I'll be using content from my Miami trip. So I hope you enjoy. And this is the flyer thumbnail we'll be making. So the size we'll be using is 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. Then I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to select a grid and I'm just going to resize it to be like a header, and I'm going to make about 3 more grids to upload my images. Now all this depends on how many photos you want to include, but I think it's best if you just keep it simple. So I was trying different images to convey, you know, a vacation vibe, and you would upload your photos or just use the photos from Canva. But I would suggest that you keep everything color cohesive. So I just was swapping out different images that were more cohesive. Like if I was using whites or beige, I tried to find photos that all had that same type of vibe. So be mindful when you take your photos to use photos that's gonna, you know, match. So this is just examples that I'm showing you, and then you just pop them in to the frame. So these would be like images of your hotel room or, you know, things for your business, but make sure everything is cohesive visually and color wise. So now we're gonna really make the flyer. So we start off with the grid again, and then I'm going to size it for the top. And like I said, it just is up to you how big or how small you want it. And I'm just duplicating it so I can make a few more placeholders for my images. And I use the grid because if you just use the regular square shape frames, you can't manipulate it like this. You can't make it wider and shorter and things like that. So that's why I use the grid, if you're wondering. And then I'm gonna duplicate it just so I have the same size. And I kept playing around with it because I wasn't sure of the size. And if you want to align everything, you select every single thing, go to position and hit tidy up or any of those positioning, and it'll align everything with the same amount of space in between. So once again, I'm looking for images that are all the same colors and same intensity to make our fake vlog. Because even though you may have a certain type of business, you may want to, you know, bring people along with your daily, you know, your daily life or things that you are doing behind the scenes in your business. So the vlog thumbnail is really cool. So now I just select the blur and I'm just going to use it to like bridge the gap between the 3 frames and that header at the top so that they can kind of blend a little seamlessly. And then I was trying to find something where I could write my title on. So you'll see me picking different things and deleting different things just to give you an idea. And then I go to elements and then I searched for, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is in case you didn't see it. It's called Animated Sophisticated Luxury. And it ends up giving you that motion text that says luxury. And of course, when you're doing a thumbnail, the thumbnail has no movement. So this thumbnail would be included more on your video that allows for movement. But I just thought it was really pretty, and I wanted to share that particular element with you guys. And see, there's several different ones that you can use. You can use it for your TikTok, or use it on your Instagram story, and just resize everything. Instead of the thumbnail size, you can do it an Instagram story size, and that way you can have like a mini version of your vlog cover to let people know, hey, come to my channel, or hey, whatever. So yeah, and luckily this particular element allows you to change the colors, so I was able to change it to match with the theme of the vlog. So I left the luxury kind of in that yellowish fake gold color, and then, you know, I used travel to match the rest of everything else. And now I'm just going to type the word vlog. And I just added a little shadow detail to it to make the word vlog pop a little bit. And I decided to change the color, just add a little pop of color, just because. And that's pretty much the flyer. And I'm going to also insert some of my shenanigans from my Florida trip to Miami, because I am originally from Miami. I wasn't born there, but I was raised there. And I was actually there for my oldest daughter's birthday. She turned 31. So we went to the Versace mansion to have a little brunch. And you'll see that later on in the video. So now I search for a YouTube subscribe button. And I was lucky because the one I found is also able to change the colors. So I'm able to change the colors here also to match with my vlog, luxury vlog theme. And did I change the color? I don't remember if I changed it or not. We'll find out in a few minutes. But yeah. I just didn't want to have too many colors going on, so I probably did. Okay, yes I did. Here it is right now. I changed the color. And don't forget to let me know any other tutorials that you're interested in. I do have another tutorial to make that one of you guys requested on how do I make my own custom backgrounds, and I'm going to get that up for you shortly. So here we're all done. I hope you love it. Here's me in Miami. I went to see a movie, and we're driving South Beach, and we're at the Versace mansion for a little light lunch. And that's my daughter.
Hi, Mom's a guy, and it's my birthday.
Yeah, she turned 31. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just shy. It was hot. The food was not giving what it should have gave, but you know, I was hungry. Now the dessert, this mango sorbet, was everything. And just a little look of my little outfit that I threw on for this little brunchy brunch. And here's a swimming pool inside of the eating area, dining area. And we just left, and I was getting ready to take a little stroll down to my car, or her car. And I'm trying to vlog and cross the street, but I also have a Texas vlog coming up too. Say hi to the people. Let me know if you like me including vlogs in with my tutorials. I never know where to look on my phone. I put in there that I was vlogging, so I have to